guys, you're welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how you can use honey on your face in order for you to achieve that radiant and glowing skin. It's also going to help hydrate your face, makes your face to pop, and it's going to help get rid of any fine lines or wrinkles. Now, this is one remedy that you'll be asking yourself why you were not using it before, but it's okay because that's why I'm here to share the recipe with you. If today is your first time stopping by, you are welcome. Please subscribe to this channel and turn on the notification bell so that you will not miss any of my upcoming videos again. And also don't forget to share this video with your friends as well as give it a thumbs up. If this is the type of video that you are interested in, please continue watching while I take you to the preparation process of this simple remedy that is going to help you achieve that radiant, glowing and younger looking skin. Now let's get into it. We rely heavily on your support to continue creating content like this, as this channel doesn't have any display ad on it. Please support us by using the super thanks button. Send any amounts that you are comfortable with, and this will go a long way in helping us create better content for you. What we'll be using here is honey, just like the title suggests. Honey, when applied on the face, helps to open up the skin pores. It also cleanses it and helps get rid of blackheads. It has antioxidant, antiseptic and antibacterial properties, which helps to fight against acne-causing bacteria. It also helps to keep the pores open and free of oily dirt, which is what causes the pores to be clogged and may cause acne or breakout. It also helps to keep the skin well hydrated and tight, and also helps to improve the skin's complexion by giving it a clearer, brighter and smoother skin. Honey has moisturizing and soothing effect on the skin, which helps to hydrate the skin, leaving it soft, radiant and glowing. Using honey here on the face helps to work as a treatment for acne, scarring, and also helps to get rid of dull or dry skin. The next ingredient we'll be using is tomato, and I'm making use of a fresh ripe tomato here. Tomato is very good when used on the skin, and it's been used on the skin for a long time because it has all these benefits that is very good when used on the skin. Tomato here helps to reduce sunburn on the skin. It also helps to promote wound healing. It helps to soothe the skin because of the anti-inflammatory properties in it. It helps to stimulate collagen production, which also helps firm up the skin and get rid of fine lines and wrinkles. It helps to remove dead skin cells on the skin as well, and it also has anti-aging properties. Tomato here also helps to fight against cellular damage. That's why we'll be using it. It has a whole lot of benefit, which is why it is very important in this remedy of ours. Tomato is also a great natural skin brightening agent, which helps to brighten up the skin, get rid of dark areas, lighten up hyperpigmentation, and give an overall brighter looking skin. To prepare this, I'll be getting my honey, and I'm going to use 2 teaspoons of honey in this, and I'll be putting it into my small bowl here. After taking out the honey, the next thing I'm going to do is to get half of a tomato like this, and I'll just be using this and the honey. I'm going to dip it into the honey like this. And this is what we'll be using on our face. To apply this, I'm just going to get the honey and tomato. You can see it, and then I'll just rub it all over my face. Go in gentle circular motion. This is really sitting on the skin. This is also going to gently exfoliate your skin. I'm also applying this on my lips as well. This treatment is very messy, so you may want to do it in the bathroom, okay? If not, it's going to spill all over your clothes, like it has spilled all over my clothes. But go ahead and keep massaging this on your skin for about 5 minutes. Then leave it to sit for another 10 minutes before washing it off. Go ahead and repeat this treatment at least 3 times in a week, but use it every day. It doesn't have any side effect. It's going to help bring out your skin's glow, brighten up your skin, and you are really going to love the feel of your skin. So like I said, leave this to sit for about 10 more minutes before washing it off with water. This is really hydrating on the skin, and your skin is going to feel amazing after trying out this treatment. I'm sure you've seen how easy that was. Really easy to make. Just 2 ingredients that you can easily get your hands on: honey and tomato. And yes, you can repeat this every single day, but if you don't have the time to repeat every day, to go ahead and use it 3 times in a week. It's still going to do the job, but make sure you are using it consistently in order for you to achieve a better result. If this video was helpful, please share it with your friends. Give it a thumbs up if you've not done so already, and also don't forget to share this video with your friends. Check out my vlog channel. The link is in the description box, in the comment section, and also somewhere on the screen. Go check out my vlog videos. I make videos with my husband there. And thank you for watching. I'll see you in my next video. Bye.